Now, how do we manage the Panitia sites? Now, bring your cursor over the tab Teachers, and Panitia is a sub-tab of Teachers. Click on it, and this is where all the Panitia sites are located. When you log in with your username and password, you won't be able to see all the sites. You will only see the site that you're responsible for. So in this video clip, I'm going to use Panitia Sejarah as an example. So double click on Panitia Sejarah. Now before we proceed, now make sure all the teachers are included in this Panitia. So in order to do that, click on this share button, share, click next, and what you will notice is that this Panitia site is private. Only the people listed can access these sites. Now this makes a lot of sense because we do not want the public or students to go into the Panitia site. Now right now all these teachers here have the authority to edit and manage the site. Now if any of the teachers are left out, what you can do is type in the name of the Sejarah teacher, and that teacher will be added to the site to edit and manage. Now I'm going to add another teacher, Siu Chang Yi. So you start typing the name Siu, and look for Siu Chang Yi. Okay. Then you add the teacher. Now you will notice by default the teacher can only view. We can change her authority or his authority to edit and manage, and then you click on share. Now the way to create, edit and delete tabs is the same as the ones that you saw for the subject. So when you click on a tab, the background will turn red, meaning that we are on the page for Missy and Bissy. And if you want to create more tabs, okay, open the edit button. You can either click on this plus sign to add page, or you can create a main tab by clicking on this plus sign. Okay. Again, deleting is the same. Click on the tab, go to layout, delete page. Now the widgets that we are going to use are also the same. Link to file, text widget, external link, but there are a few more that will be useful: file drop, text activity, and media. Now let me show you how the teachers can upload their timetables into the site. Now for this we need two widgets: text activity widget and the file drop widget. Now click on the text activity widget and change this heading. Please enter the activity details to timetable by typing into this box. Save changes. Now close the edit box. Now what the teacher needs to do is that once this has been set up, click on the upload button, choose the file from your computer which has the timetable, click on it, open. When you see this green line with the tick sign, it's successful, then you click done. So my timetable has been uploaded to the site. So all the teachers in Panitia Sejarah can upload their timetable to this particular page. Now in order to view the timetable, all you need to do is just click on this. Alright, open, and you can see the timetable of the teacher concerned. Struktur organisasi will involve putting up pictures of the pengetua, KP and the other teachers. Now I'll show you how this is done. Now go to our EDMS and select staff photo. Now we want the picture of the pengetua, so what we do is that we press on the key print screen, and then we open up a new Office document and we paste it in the Office document. Now we click Format Picture, and then we crop the picture only to have the principal's photograph. Okay, this is how it is done. Then we can enlarge it. Now we crop the required number of pictures. Then we transfer the pictures to this program called Paint, which is found in your accessory folder. Now we arrange the pictures nicely, and then we arrange the picture, and then we save this file. Now we save it as a PNG picture. Now I have labeled it as Carta Organisasi, save as type PNG, and then I save it on my desktop or anywhere. Now to load the picture onto your page, select the widget Media, click and drag the media onto the page, click on the widget, choose Media, Upload, choose File. So I select my file Carta Organisasi, open, done. Save changes. I can close the edit box. Right, so we have our Struktur Organisasi. So we have covered the widgets, text activity, link to file, media, text, external link. Now these are the widgets that you'll be using to develop the site. Now to leave the site, click on this button here, close the X sign. You can go home, right? Or you can go straight to the frog's head and log out.